Hey guys, it's your friend Juan here, and this is a quick demo video of the FiverrProfitBuilder app. Okay, so this is a new cloud app that allows you to create Fiverr affiliate sites. Okay, so it will allow you to create profitable affiliate sites in just a few seconds. So all you need to do is go here and click affiliate setting. And the first step here is to add your Fiverr affiliate ID. Okay, so all you need to do is put your Fiverr affiliate ID on here. It's very easy to do it. All you need to do is get your Fiverr affiliate ID on fiverr.com, put here, and you are ready to go. Okay, then you can go to the site creation, and then you will be able to create your first website with the FiverrProfitBuilder. All you need to do is click create site, and you add any site name you want. So I will put here new site.fiverrprofitbuilder.com. You get a free subdomain as well. It's all hosted on the cloud for you. And all you need to do to create your site is click a button. So I just click here and boom, my site is created, ready to make money. Okay, if I click here, I'm gonna show you the site. And this is what the site looks like. And this is a site ready to make money. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my website that I just created. I have an opt-in form here where people can put their emails and I can build my email list. You can build your email list. And then here, people can search for Fiverr gigs. They have the categories, trending gigs, banners, blog news. So you can monetize your site with banners as well. And if they go here, Fiverr courses, they will get a list of Fiverr courses they can buy. Okay, so here's all the Fiverr courses they can buy. Then if they go to the Fiverr gigs, they can find a bunch of gigs. And every time someone clicks on a Fiverr gig on here and buy through your link, you get a commission, right? So that's the way you make money with this website. So you have a list of Fiverr gigs here. You have your own gig courses. If you want to add your own gigs, you can do it with this app. Okay, it's very easy, very straightforward. You can add your own courses, you can add the pages, and you get a full blog that will start generating traffic for your site, for your Fiverr gigs. So if I go back here to the home page, if people search here, people can search here for Fiverr gigs. Okay, so if they put here, for example, voiceover, they will be able to find voiceovers. And if they click one of the voiceovers like this one here, it will open this and it will show everything for them, the price, the description. Then when they click here and buy through your link, you get a commission as a Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so that's the way it works. It creates a beautiful site for you, again, with search, Fiverr courses, Fiverr gigs, your own gig courses, pages, and a full blog that will generate you traffic. Also, it comes with the opt-in form that builds your email list. So it's truly all in one app to create Fiverr profitable affiliate sites. Okay, so let me go back now to the settings here just to show everything you can do it with this. So you have the site creation, site listing. If I go to site setting here, you will be able to see that you can edit really everything about your site. So this is the site that you just created. If I go to edit here, I can change the site logo, contact email, site content, opt-in form, meta title, meta description, favicon, really everything here. You can edit really everything on your site. And then if I go to the pages here, I can create new pages for my website. If I go to the affiliate setting, I can connect my Fiverr affiliate ID, etc. You know that already. If I go to the banner ads, I can add banners to my website. So beyond monetize with Fiverr gigs, you can add banner ads and make even more money from your site. Okay, so you just select the site you want, the banner position, the banner image, and the target link for your banner, and you can monetize the site using banners. Then you have your own course as well. So if you want to add your own courses, you can do it, and it will list your own courses where people can buy your courses. Okay, so you just click add your own course, put here target link, price, everything, and you will be able to sell your own courses inside of your site. And also you have the manage blogs here, where you can create your blog, and it will create a blog that is attached to your Fiverr site, so it will generate traffic for you. So all you need to do is click create blog, select the site you want to create a blog. You can create a blog from YouTube or News API with just one keyword. Okay, and also you can add new articles if you want Okay, you go to the article section here, create your own article, and you can add new articles for your site. So that's how Fiverr Profit Builder works. That's how it creates a website. Okay, so it's very quickly. You just add your site name, click a button, and the site is ready to go. So thanks so much for watching, and we see you in the other side. Thanks.